Hello, and welcome to Baker Affair. On this episode of No Bake Treats, I'm going to make apricot marbles, which are basically a non-baked treat that has apricots. I'm using almonds, but you can use walnuts, Brazil nuts, any kind of nut you like, you can use. And coconut. I'm using unsweetened coconut because I like unsweetened coconut more than I like sweetened coconut. I think sweetened coconut just has that like very nasty, like fake coconutty taste that I'm just not fond of. So it's apricots, coconut, shredded coconut, and I'm using almonds. It'll be lemon juice and lemon rind and a little bit of orange rind, which I do not have today. So I'm just going to use lemon and see how it goes. Oh, and powdered sugar you're going to need. So let's get started. We're going to take the apricots and stick them in the food processor along with the coconut and the almonds that I'm using. You can use whatever nut you'd like. And then we're going to pulse it. And it's going to be like this a little bit, where it sticks together. That's what we want. Then I'm going to add lemon rind, and it would be lemon rind and it would be orange rind if I had oranges, but I don't have oranges, so that's that. And then 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. And then you pulse it again. Yeah, it's about the consistency we want. So I'm going to take this out now. You can see it. There you go. Smells so good. And then we're going to roll it in balls. About one inch, something like that. And actually, hold on a minute. Okay, I just got my scoop. Let's try that. I don't know, these cookie scoops are like the best invention ever. They're like the best invention. Who would have thought they would have come out with a cookie scoop? In my day, we still had phones on the wall. And now we have cookie scoops. So they all come out individual. This is so super easy. If you have somewhere to go and you're like, oh my God, I don't feel like baking at all. I don't feel like getting too involved, but I want something like I can bring to like a picnic or a barbecue. It's not going to go bad or melt or anything. These are great because you just throw them together. I mean, even if you're going, I could see throwing some dried cranberries in here and making walnuts and bringing it for like Christmas, a Christmas, party or even a work party. Because who feels like doing anything for a work party? I don't know. You stop at the store and get something. I don't know. This is so easy to do. And it takes you about, not that long. How long has it taken me so far? Not long. The hardest part is going to be rolling it into a ball, and then rolling it into a ball, and then putting it into the powdered sugar. So, okay, now I'm gonna roll these into balls, and they should be wet, but not too wet. Like you want them to hold together, of course, but you don't want them to like be too wet where you can't. They're not like forming into a ball. So we'll see. And like I said, I'm not particularly fond of like the coconut that's sweetened just because it's, I don't know, it's got like that, you know what I'm talking about? That funky, like perfumey coconut flavor. I mean, sometimes I don't mind it, like even in a candy bar, but like otherwise it makes things too sweet. Now you might want the sweetened coconut in here. We are going to be rolling it around in powdered sugar though, so it's going to get sweet from that. This is great for like little kids because it's not too bad. So far, it's not bad at all. I haven't put sugar in it at all. Like you could probably just eat it this way or roll it in nuts, maybe. This is a recipe that my mother had, so I'm making it, try to recreate it. I don't know if it's going to come out exactly the same way as, don't know. But I mean, literally, it's taken me not that long. I mean, if you're looking for something to do that's really quick. So, friends, tell me, what do you like to do? On my free time, I like to garden. I like to garden. I like to hunt for like hummingbirds because they're like my favorite. Hummingbirds are like my favorite. I'm dying to have a hummingbird nest. I have yet to find a hummingbird nest. I have hummingbirds that come. I have one that I call Lucy. See, now we're just gonna do that. And that's it. That's the whole recipe, guys. Not guys, friends. You're my friends. What would I be without you? I'd be nothing. And just roll them around. It looks like it needs to be rolled around a little bit more. I mean, this is so easy. I mean, like you can get the kids involved with this. Kids would love to do this. And you don't really, just make sure their hands are washed. Get them up at a counter and just let them roll this stuff around. There's no reason that they're not going to get hurt. If they eat one, it's not like it's ruining their appetite because it's just dried apricots, coconut, and nuts. That's it. And then I'm sorry if I'm not in view. I still learning the camera. All right. That's it. So I don't know. To your house, my house. Wow. It's so delicious. It's unbelievable. I really hope you try these. They're like apricot-y. If you have somebody that doesn't like to chew nuts, they'll never even know they're in there. I mean, you can taste it, but you can't feel wow, that's delicious. I think I just recreated what my mother used to always make. Anyway, if you are liking this channel, and if you feel like this is something you want to subscribe and follow to, I'd really appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up and share if you'd like. And I hope you come back. The recipe is in the description. Until the next time, ciao.